the HMI practical session. So in this particular session, we are going to do the next task, whatever is there in our list of experiments. Okay. So as we all know that we have done the first one, that was the mobile app or the website that can teach mathematics to the children of 4 to 5 years. Okay. So it was done. I've shown you the idea of that also, and the content what you have to put in this particular experiment all was discussed with you people. Okay. The second was regarding the interface. You have to design an interface for home appliance. So for any interface you can, so for any home appliance you can design an interface. Okay. So I shown you the example of the microwave oven, okay, and even you people have drawn your solve. I hope that you people have done your task, okay, because you have to do it in the team, and you have to present it in the experiment का write up, ठीक है, output में आपको show करना, okay. The third which we have done in the last session in the last practical was redesigning. It means that you have to criticize something, okay. If there is any existing design, if there is any existing interface, user interface, then you need to criticize it, okay. You must have that skill also, but ऐसा criticize नहीं करना है सामने वाले को एकदम बस वही करना है सीधा, but you have to criticize in 1 second. Actually, okay. So in the third experiment, you have to redesign a existing user interface, okay, by criticizing the existing interface, and then you have to suggest the improvements, okay, what can be done, what can be the changes, and then you need to implement all those changes in the existing user design, okay. So I hope you people have done it, because last time we took one example of the air condition interface panel. Okay, if you remember the interface of that particular panel, then you might have seen there was a lot of options was available for the air conditioning का जो panel था, user interface panel. So it was having a lot of options, but still we have gone through a number of changes and we have done those changes. Okay, so what you need to do is that we have to take the existing interface in this particular, in the third experiment, you have to take the existing interface and you have to redesign it in your way. Okay, whichever you like that this particular changes is mandatory, and if we do these particular changes, then this could be a good product, or this can be a good interface. Okay, even you can take the interface of the mobile. Okay, for example, all the Redmi phone, all the Redmi phones are having same interface. Okay, they're having same launcher. Okay, so for that particular launcher or the setting or whatever options they have given, so you can just show the existing interface that they have given this way. Okay, one thing should be noted is that in Redmi phones, those people who are having not idea about this interface, so let me tell you that Redmi phones are having, Redmi phones are not having any kind of drawer. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं application drawer. Okay, application drawer is something like when you scroll up. Okay, when you swipe up, not scroll up, when you swipe up your screen, so it will show all the application in the drawer. Okay, so that is the application drawer, which is usually not present in all the devices. Okay, usually your Samsung phone is having the application drawer, your OnePlus phones are having application drawers, and other phones are also having application drawers, but Redmi phones are not having application drawers. Okay, so you might think that being an application drawer, if you will be having also Realme, very good. So Realme is also having application drawers. So a lot of mobile phones are having application drawers in that in their interface. Okay, so some people might think, you might think, and I might think, okay, application drawers are very good. Okay, if the Redmi phones are not having application drawer, it means that the design is and the interface is incomplete. Without the application drawer, you will have to find all the application here and there and there. Okay, so I think that Redmi phones must have the application drawer. So you can change this also. I'm giving you one example. So you can just identify numerous interfaces where the existing application को आप criticize कर सकते हैं. Criticize आपको positive way में करना है, ठीक है, सामने वाले को एकदम वो नहीं करना है, लंबा नहीं करना है. So you have to criticize. इसमें actually एक keyword use किया है हम लोगों ने, this word, that is criticize the existing interface, and you have to suggest an improve. You have to suggest and you have to tell that okay, these are the improvements or these are the changes you have to do. Being a developer or being a designer of a product or for a software, okay, you must have that skill also. ठीक है, ये स्किल आप में होना चाहिए कि एग्जिस्टिंग इंटरफेस को, एग्जिस्टिंग चीज को क्रिटिसाइज करके उसमें से चेंजेस, पॉजिटिव चेंजेस, वॉट एवर यू वांट, you can make those changes, you can suggest those changes and you can implement those changes. Okay, so ये वाला हम लोग ने लास्ट टाइम किया. और आई थिंक अगर आप लोगों ने अपने अपने एग्जांपल्स लिए होंगे, because I told you that whatever topic you are taking, you just put it on the WhatsApp group so that there will not be a conflict. If somebody is taking any example, any topic, any interface, तो उस टॉपिक का नाम अपने ग्रुप के नाम के साथ में आप मेंशन कर दो, so that others will come to know that hey, this particular group has already taken this topic, so we will be taking any other topic. So I told you about that only. Okay. Huh. So now we're going to the next one for them, because we can't wait for you people to do all this thing because we don't have the interaction right now. So what you people are doing, that is up to you. Okay, because finally you have to put all these things in the you can say write up का output में आपको लगाना ही. So anyhow करना तो है ही. ठीक है. So यहाँ तक हमारा थर्ड वाला हुआ था. ठीक है. Now let us move to the also very very simple. Okay, if you थोड़ा सा अगर आप लोग थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाएंगे, then you can easily do it. Okay, and I'm sure about that all the experiments which are there in the HMI are not required any logical, any syntactical, not required any skills. Okay, कुछ भी ज्यादा आपको रिक्वायर्ड नहीं, जस्ट आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस यूज करना है, अपना इंटेलिजेंस यूज करना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू डू द this particular experiment. Okay, you have to do all the practicals in this round. Okay, so coming to the fourth one, now just read the fourth experiment. What you have to do, you have to design a navigator. Okay, you have to design a navigator for a person new in a tourist city or a village. You might have seen a lot of applications which shows you each and everything, like बीच में मैंने एक एप्लीकेशन देखा, उसका नाम मुझे याद नहीं बना, हम उसको ओपन करते थे अभी तो आपको बताता था. So it will act as a navigator for the person who is new in the city or a village. Okay, and it will guide the person, from the source to the destination, even by saying that if you are not having your private vehicle, then you can go via train, and the train timing is from for example, if I just want to go to the gate of India, okay, gateway of India, okay, so then going from this particular location, like I'm in Panvel, I'm in college right now, so I'm in Panvel, okay, so how I can go, so I will put the source, so it will automatically pick the source by location services, and the destination I put like gateway of India. Okay, so what your navigator must do, your navigator must navigate from this particular current location to the gateway of India. How I can reach? If you have, you may be having a lot of options, like you are having private vehicle, you are having bike, you are having two-wheeler, four-wheeler, or you are going by public transport. If you are going by public transport, then अभी तो लॉकडाउन है, इसके लिए थोड़ा सा टाइमिंग वगैरह का इश्यू है, वरना वो जो टाइमिंग जो पहले था उसको अगर देखा जाए, then your navigator will navigate you from your source, like you have to catch a auto or you can take a bus from the Khandagaon, from the Thana Naka. Okay, you'll have to go to the Thana Naka, then you can catch a bus and you can reach the Panvel, the nearest station is the Panvel or the Khandeshwar station, because going to Khandeshwar station there's no bus right now. So you can go to the Panvel, so it will show you the number of the bus. Okay, you can pick that and take a bus of this particular number and you can reach the Panvel station. And from Panvel station you can catch a train, okay, which is at 12:13, okay, after 15 minutes. So you have 2 3 options will be given to you, like you can go, you can catch this train and this train. Okay, so after catching this train, you can reach at the CST, or you can reach to the VT station up to at 1:30 or 1:45 after 1 hour and 15 minutes, like whatever is the estimation. And after reaching the VT station, then you have to catch a bus from that particular location, and then you can reach to the gateway of India at this particular amount of time. Okay, so complete navigation has to be provided for a person who is new in a city. I hope you have understood what you have to do actually. You don't have to design, you have to design a navigator on. You don't have to design an application in reality. Okay? आपको एक्चुअल में कोई एप्लीकेशन बनाना नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ उसका डिजाइन बनाना है. Let me give you one example of that particular, because last time what we have done, so let me give you the example of that. Okay, so that you will understand easily आपको करना क्या है basically. But ये जो जो किए हैं उससे आपको आगे बढ़ के डिजाइन बनाना है. ठीक है, let me show you, let me present you the design first. Okay, हाँ. So experiment number 4, I hope मैंने शो किया, मैंने प्रेजेंट नहीं किया क्या, तो मैं जैसे सोच रहा हूँ कि मैंने प्रेजेंट किया हूँ. I thought कि I presented my screen, but I'm not. Recording has been already started. Okay. Okay. So it was the experiment. Okay. You have to design a navigator for a person new in the tourist city or a village. Okay. So you can take anything. Okay. It is not a like they have given one example that you are providing the navigator for the Mumbai city. Okay, for a tourist. Okay. So this is one of the example. You can take another also. I give you another example. You can make this also. But जो हम लोग ने किया है वही ऐसा आपको भी आ सकता है. कहाँ पर है? This is the SPIT का syllabus, because they are autonomous institute, so they have freedom. They have freedom to make each and every practical experiment what they want to. So कहाँ गया? See, you have to design a navigator for a student new in your institute. So you can make a navigator for this also. I think ये वाला हमारे लिए simple रहेगा, because you have a good idea of your institute, your college, your campus, that if you are entering from the main gate, if you are entering from the main gate, then for reaching in the on the third floor, what are the different steps and stages you need to go through. Okay, तो पहले कहाँ पर आना पड़ेगा, कहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा, which area is not allowed for student, which area is allowed, and from left, from staircase, from where you can come. So each and everything you are having idea. Okay, so you can do this thing also. But actually this thing is mentioned in our experiment list only, so we are going to do ये वाला experiment only. Okay, design a navigator for a person living in the tourist city. So ये भी और ये भी आपका same है. ठीक है, so this is the design a navigator for a student new in your institute. So if any first year student comes in the institute, then how he or she has to reach in the department, in the first year department, where the so where are the classes, so कहाँ होने वाली है, so each and everything he or she will come to. ठीक है, तो ये करने के बजाय हम लोग अपना फर्स्ट वाला ही करेंगे, दिस नेविगेटर. ओके, so let me show you the output of this particular experiment, that what is expected. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है आप लोग को मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, क्या करना है आप लोगों को इस प्रैक्टिकल में. कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है, कोई भी टेक्निकल चीज इसमें नहीं है. सिर्फ आपको डिजाइन बनाना है अपने, विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस लेवल, with the help of intelligence and the experience whatever you have. Okay, so according to that level only we have to make the navigator over here. Okay, मैं क्या बता आप लोग को, हाँ यहाँ पर बता. ठीक है, see, they have shown only two screenshot. Okay, but I don't want two screen, because in two screen it cannot be covered. In two screen I think it cannot be covered, so you can make more than two screens. Okay, you can make more than two screenshot. In the first screenshot, this is the image they have provided, your travel guide. Okay, and then the city is Mumbai. Okay, because we are quite familiar with the Mumbai, and we have all the related data with us. Okay, we know all the locations in Mumbai, so we are providing for Mumbai only. Okay, so likewise, you can provide for more cities also, because this is not like the person is coming to Mumbai only. They can go to they can go to Jaipur, Pune, and any famous city, any tourist places where the lot of attractions are there, and and the people can the people that the tourists might go at those places also. So we are just providing for Mumbai only. So they have provided, just look at the component and then look at the the elements what they have provided. Okay, when you will enter to the application, आप किसी application को अगर open करते हैं, तो what will be the first expression, what will be the first impression the application has to give the user के सबसे पहले क्या आना चाहिए. So they have provided like welcome to my city. You can with the gallery also. So some useful some attractive pictures, high quality pictures can be put in this particular option, so that the tourists can see and can visit number of places whatever they have provided. Okay, you can put the pictures in the gallery. In galleries you can put, अच्छा they have not provided but you can do so. I say कि ये आपका पहला वाला स्क्रीनशॉट हो गया. ठीक है, ये जो सामने आपको दिख रहा है. ओके, you can make the second screenshot in which you can show few pictures of like gateway of India. Okay, and then और क्या क्या हमारे यहाँ घूमने के जैसा है मुंबई के अंदर. अरे बोलो क्या क्या घूमने के जैसे है. वो सारी की सारी पिक्चर्स आप एक एक करके लगा सकते हो, और यू कैन हैव अ कैप्शंस आल्सो, so that the tourists will come to know. बताया नहीं किसी ने, कोई घुमा नहीं क्या. बहरहाल चलो करना आप लोग को है. सो यू पीपल हैव टू थिंक, आप लोग सर्च कर लेंगे, आपको बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस मुंबई में मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, सो यू कैन शो ऑल द पिक्चर्स. Sorry. So you can show all the pictures, okay, and you can attract the tourists so that they will visit. Because at last, what will happen? The tourists will come to Mumbai. They will visit to the near and far places in the Mumbai, and earning will be for the Mumbaikars only. Okay, so मतलब फायदा है इस चीज के अंदर. So you can have this application. So you can make you can make another screenshot, and that you can show all the images, all the high quality pictures, and which you can with the captions you can show all the places where the tourists can visit. Okay, find near me. This is the restaurant. You can see this is the gas pump or the petrol pump, and these are the hotels. Okay, these are the symbols which are shown on the maps. Okay, you can, if you will click directly, if you will click directly on this particular one, that is a restaurant nearby me. Okay, and the I can say petrol pump or the CNG pump, whatever you require, so nearby me. And these are the I can say hotels or motels nearby. Okay, so these the quick options are given, because if the tourist is coming to any new city, then surely he will find, if he's having, if they are having any car, they have rented any car, then they need the petrol pump, they need to visit to the hotels or to the restaurant, okay, for lunch and dinner, and they will go to the hotels for staying purpose. Okay, so these are the quick options we can provide. I'm just giving you the examples of what they have done in the last year. Okay, so you can make some improvements, you can do some changes, and you can have your own design. Okay, you have to design. Finally, you have to design your navigator. Okay, in this particular one, in this particular session, we can only discuss that what you have to make and what. ये इसीलिए मैं आपको सब पूरा आइडिया दे रहा हूँ कि आपको क्या क्या करना है. ठीक है, देन आप सोचते रहो, और उसके बाद में आप लोग रेफर भी कर सकते हैं वीडियो को, और उसके बाद में फिर आप लोग को इसके अकॉर्डिंगली इसको प्रिपेयर करना है, कंप्लीट करना है. In the next screenshot, just have a look on the next screenshot. Your travel guide. तो देखो उसने यहीं पे मिस्टेक कर दिया है. Your travel guide यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था, अब यहाँ पे लिखा. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, because it should be on the same location. Because ये पूरा मतलब हाथ से बना है, हाथ से बना in the sense कि हम लोग ने खाली स्क्रीनशॉट बनाए. These are not the screenshot of any mobile phone, okay, or any application. Okay, तो इसके लिए ऐसी मिस्टेक हो सकती है. सो नियर बाय, मतलब ये जितनी भी आपकी चीजें फाइंड नियर बाय होटल्स एंड होटल्स, रेस्टोरेंट एंड पेट्रोल पंप। उसके उसके नीचे फिर आपके पास नीचे कुछ और ऑप्शन है, लाइक यू वांट टू विजिट गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया, ओके, बाय लुकिंग और बाय visiting all the pictures whatever was provided in the view gallery option. So tourist has gone through the gateway of India. It will put gateway of India. I want to visit gateway of India. Okay, so it will put gateway of India. It will click the picture, then it will automatically redirected on this particular page. Or he or she can put the gateway of India or Rani Bagh or wherever, or Taj Hotel, wherever he or she wants to go. So he will put like this. So you'll have to start from CST station, CST subway, and then end at Gateway of India. So this is the source and destination. So 5 minutes ka hai. So the options are given like this. Okay. So they have provided one navigator option के भाई कैसे जाना है, ठीक है, via Dr. Dada Bhai Nauroji, Dr. Dada Bhai Nauroji Road and Mahatma Gandhi Road, fastest route, lighter traffic than usual. It will require 5 minutes, which is around 2.5 kilometers. Okay. The second option is via Old Custom House Road, Shahid Bhagat Singh Road, and it is around 2.6 kilometer, which required 7 minutes to reach. Okay, so these are the two options which have been given, which have been provided to in order to reach. Okay, so the tourist can go. So in this way, you can provide a multiple or various way or medium from which they can. Okay, तो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने का नेविगेट हो गया। सो भाई साहब कहाँ पर थे, सीएसटी स्टेशन पे थे। सीएसटी सब पे आपको, आप लोग को सबको पता है। सो आई थिंक जो बंदा था वो यहाँ पर खड़ा था, उसको जाना है गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया। तो आपको तो पता है 2-2.5 किलोमीटर है वहां से। तो अराउंड 2.6 किलोमीटर है, मतलब अराउंड 2.5 किलोमीटर के आसपास है। सो ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा। बट इफ यू आर फार अवे फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया, यू आर गोइंग फ्रॉम पनवेल, you're going from Panvel, so your start point will be Panvel station or the Panvel location wherever you are, and then it will tell you कि भाई कहाँ से जाना है, कैसे जाना है. Okay, it must show you. They have shown only the जो आपका transportation है, road transportation का option उन्होंने दिया है. But I think few applications were there. Someone can tell me the name of, can someone tell me the name of that application? It was बीच में हिट भी हुई थी, एप्लीकेशन काफी चली हुई थी। एंड इट विल टेल यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। ओके, आपको घर से लेकर वहां तक आप कैसे जाओगे सब चीज आपको बताएंगे। इवन बस नंबर, बस का टाइमिंग, और बस का टाइमिंग तो अवेलेबल नहीं था, लेकिन बस का नंबर, और अगर ट्रेन से लेकर जाएगा तो ट्रेन का टाइमिंग तक आपको बता देंगे। ठीक है, सो इट वॉज प्रोवाइडेड इन दैट, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड इन दैट वे। आप शॉर्ट में भी काम अपना निपटा सकते हैं, बट यू मस्ट प्रोवाइड द थिंग्स इन डिटेल कि कैसे जाना है। ठीक है, so there must be a navigator in this way. उसके बाद में you can explore Gateway of India, Mumbai. So you can, if you click, so you can go down. Okay, for exploring Gateway of India. Nearby Gateway of India, you will find Taj Hotel, which is very expensive, and for one key, it requires around 500 rupees. So, like all the information will be given in order to explore your Gateway of India, and in order to explain, if you want to गो टू द एलिफेंटा, वो जो भी है जहाँ के आसपास की नियर बाय प्लेसेस है, सो दैट कैन बी एक्सप्लोर्ड। ओके, सो ऑप्शंस कैन बी गिवन डाउन यहाँ पर, और दिए नहीं ऑप्शंस, बट यू द ऑप्शंस कैन बी गिवन। ओके, सो ऐसे आपको बनाना है। सो एटलीस्ट यू रिक्वायर्स एटलीस्ट 4 स्क्रीनशॉट। ओके, आपको 4 स्क्रीनशॉट लगेंगे उस सब चीजों को आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करने में। ओके, आप कैसे करते हैं, जस्ट गो थ्रू योर एप्लीकेशन, एनालाइज करो, देखो, और उसके बाद में फिर आप लोग करो। मैडम कुछ मैसेज भेजें। ओके, योर सेशन इज around 3 p.m. Okay, your NLP session, your NLP session is around 3 p.m. Okay, okay. So some more options are given, like you can see, this is for, कोई मुझे बताएगा कि ये सारे जो ऑप्शंस, जो आइकन्स दिख रहे हैं, इनको क्या बोलते हैं? अरे बोलो जल्दी। एज अ डेवलपर, एज अ एंड्रॉइड डेवलपर, यू मस्ट नो ऑल दिस थिंग। हेलो, पता है इस सब ऑप्शंस को क्या बोलते हैं? इफ यू आर मेकिंग एनी एप्लीकेशन,
फ्रेगमेंट।
पार्डन,
फ्रेगमेंट।
फ्रेगमेंट्स। अच्छा, जब अभी चक्कर में मेरे दिमाग से अभी निकल गया। फ्रेगमेंट्स के अलावा इसको एक अच्छा वर्ड है इसके लिए, जस्ट दिमाग से निकला मैं चक्कर में। Okay, so whatever is that, so we can provide lot of options over here, okay, which can be called as, you might have seen the application like Ola, Uber, and you might have seen uh, any other application like Paytm, okay. So at down you will find all the options which are available, okay. So you can just go to that section by clicking on that particular icon on the section. So it can be provided, okay. So I want at least four screenshots are required in order to demonstrate the navigator, the Mumbai navigator, what you are making, okay. Okay. So the first of all, within your team, okay, so you have to do this particular task in a team. You just sit for at least 15 minutes. 15 minutes are enough, I think. Okay. So in 15 minutes, you can complete this particular experiment. Okay. This not more things are required in this experiment. Just need to sit for 15 minutes. Okay. Online बैठो, क्या करना है पहले वो देखो, करना तो यही है। सॉरी, डिस्टरबेंस है थोड़ा सा। ओके, चलो, तो ये बात आप लोग समझ में आ गई, क्या करना है, एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है। सो दे हैव डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड दिस पर्टिकुलर नेविगेटर इन दिस टू स्क्रीनशॉट ओनली, एंड वन इज छोटा सा, सेकंड इज बड़ा, ओके। सो यू कैन इजीली सी, so you can make at least four ऐसा मोबाइल का शेप वाला आप लोग ले सकते हैं। एंड यू हैव लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शन लाइक ऑनलाइन बहुत सारे है जहाँ आप लोग ये चीजें बना सकते हैं। सो आप लोगों को इमेजेस डालना है, और फिर इस तरीके से जैसे इन्होंने बनाया है, ठीक है, वैसे आप लोग बना सकते हैं। बाय रेफरिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो यू कैन डू सो, ओके। I'll be uploading this particular video on the YouTube so that you can refer it. Okay, आप उसको एक बार देख सकते हैं, and after that you can draw it. Okay. I hope this is clear to all what you have to do in this particular experiment. Everyone, please let me know. समझ में आया है क्या करना है इसमें?
यस सर।
ओके, 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 गुड। मैंने असाइनमेंट आप लोगों को कौन कौन से इसका दिया हूँ, मुझे याद नहीं एक्चुअली। फर्स्ट वाला, सेकंड वाला, गूगल क्लास, मैंने टू विजिट गूगल क्लासरूम प्लस HMI lab. How many experiments I have given to you? Only experiment number one I have given. So I'll be giving experiment number two, number three, and number four. Okay, and the last date would be like the end of the week. No, end of the week ही रखते हैं, बल्कि एक हफ्ता पूरा देते हैं आप लोग, ठीक है। तो एक काम करते हैं, सेकंड और थर्ड वाला तो हो गया ना, तो सेकंड और थर्ड वाले की डेट हम लोग सैटरडे रखते हैं, दैट इज ऑन 6th of March, ओके। एंड फॉर फोर्थ वाले की डेट हम लोग रखते हैं 9th of March, ठीक है। सो एवरीवन क्लियर, या कुछ और टाइम चाहिए इसके लिए? टाइम इनफ है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, ठीक है। So I'll be um, I'll be making the assignment for your for submission of your experiments for experiment number 2 and for 3 and for 4. Okay. So I'll put all the details, whatever required details, what you can see over here. Okay. This particular file, whatever what is required, what you required in this particular one. See what they have put the theory regarding navigation. Okay. See, navigation is also one of the important thing, okay, in the design. Okay, जैसे कि होता है ना, for example, some when you open any website, so it will show all the options to you. Okay, so it will navigate you to the going for going to the next page. Okay, so like they will provide like the next one, या फिर click submit to go on the next page. Okay, so this is nothing but the navigation. Okay, so this is how they are navigating you from one page to another page. So navigation is always an important thing for the interface. Okay, interface designing. Okay, because at last you are going to interact with the first page, then only to the second page. And when you are going to visit the second page, when you are going to properly navigate the person from one page to the next page. Okay, अगर आप प्रॉपरली इसको नेविगेट नहीं करोगे तो वो सेकंड पेज में जा ही नहीं पाएंगे। कहाँ पे जाएंगे? आपने सेकंड पेज पे जाने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं रखा है अपने फर्स्ट पेज पे, कैसे जाएंगे? नहीं जा पाएंगे। ओके, आपने बोला है, आपने यू हैव प्रोवाइडेड द लॉगिन स्क्रीन। ओके, and if someone who is new on the application, if someone who is new on the application, so he will try to find the registration page because he or she has to register. Okay, but you have not provided any option, any button for the registration, so what he or she is going to make? कुछ नहीं कर सकता because we have not provided the navigation properly. So this is one of the key, that you must provide the navigation on your application, on your website, for your model, for your machine in the proper way, so that user will find their own way to go on the next page or the next page. Okay, so even if you are doing this particular, if you are making this particular mouse, okay, then I'm the new person. I don't know anything about this particular mouse. So I got it from the internet, from the e-commerce site, and after getting it, then I will start looking, and I will start searching for the on-off button, because I know that okay, I need to switch it on, or I can switch it on, I can switch it off from the backside. I will see, okay, on off यहाँ से होता है, ठीक है? So here I can navigate. Okay, so I will navigate. मैं navigate हो रहा हूँ, मैं यहाँ से एक स्टेज से दूसरे स्टेज पे जा रहा हूँ। मैंने तो क्या किया, स्विच ऑन किया, स्विच ऑन हो गया। होने के बाद में आई फाउंड दैट के देयर इज नो बैटरी इनसाइड। ओके, तो यहाँ पर ये जो जो सिंबल्स थे, यहाँ पर जो postures थे, so that postures will tell me that this is the place I can put my finger over here, and then I will slide it down so that I can open it. Okay, so it is navigating me from one stage to the next page. Okay, then I will change the batteries, then I will put this particular Dakkan back. Okay, and then I can start using this one. Okay, I will remove the adapter. This is the, this is the adapter which is it was, so it was there inside this particular mouse, यहाँ पे था, यहाँ से निकाल के मैंने इसको फिर अपने यूज के लिए अपने यूएसबी पोर्ट में लगा दिया। तो दिस इज हाउ द प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज हम लोग जब से बात कर रहे हैं किसी वेबसाइट एंड एप्लीकेशन की, दिस इज नॉट अबाउट के खाली एप्लीकेशन और वेबसाइट पे ही नेविगेशन हमको लगेगा, you requires it for the any machine, for any model. Okay, you can take anything, like you can take one pen. ठीक है, this is one of the machine. Okay, हम बोलते हैं ना, आमिर खान कहते हैं कि हम सर हम लोग जो है तो मशीनों में घिरे हैं। ठीक है, हर हर जगह मशीन, इधर से उधर तक मशीन, नीचे से ऊपर तक हर जगह पर मशीन मशीन। ठीक है, so you found this particular pen. Okay, so it is going to navigate you. ठीक है, सबसे पहले आपने पेन हाथ में लिया, क्या करना है? सो ओके, आई नीड टू ओपन बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट ओपन, द कैप इज स्टिल क्लोज। ठीक है, कैप लगा हुआ है, पेन क्लोज है, तो आई विल फाउंड अ वे टू ओपन दिस पर्टिकुलर कैप। ठीक है, मैंने कैप निकाला। ठीक है, सो ये एक मुझे नेविगेट किया। देन सेकेंड वन, आई विल पुट माई फिंगर्स एंड आई विल होल्ड इट फ्रॉम दिस वे, इन दिस वे, एंड देन आई स्टार्ट राइटिंग। ठीक है, so this is how it is navigating me to write, because इसका काम क्या है, कुछ लिखना। ठीक है, so it is navigating for the same। okay, the next thing, इसकी रिफिल, मुझे इसको रिफिल करना है। ठीक है, इसकी जो रिफिल है चेंज करना है। ठीक है, तो refill तो नहीं हो सकती, लेकिन refill change कर सकते हैं. So refill, I will find the way. Okay, I will start searching that case from where I can open it. I found, okay, these are the two places from where I can open it. I can open it from here also, and I can open it from here also. So I found the way. It is navigating me. It is guiding me that from where I can open it. So I will find the way and I will change the refill also. So each and everything will has to provide a way of navigation. Okay. So हर चीज को navigation provide करना है आपको, because as a designer you have to provide these things in such a way that the user will guide himself and herself. Okay. सो नेविगेशन इसके लिए हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट, नेविगेशन एंड फ्लो ऑफ द जो आपका है प्रोडक्ट है वो होना चाहिए. जो होता है ना, फॉर एग्जांपल आपने अपनी वेबसाइट में कुछ चीजें प्रोवाइड की है, टू नो मोर. हमारी फॉर एग्जांपल हमारी कॉलेज की वेबसाइट है, ठीक है. कॉलेज की वेबसाइट के अंदर हम लोगों ने प्रोग्रामर्स क्लब के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, ठीक है. So to know more about Programmers Club, please click here. So we are navigating the person from that particular location to another location. Okay, so we are navigating, and this is how the flow we have maintained. We have provided the information of the department first, and after that the information of all the faculties, then the program we are offering, the subject we are offering, and at last information about the Programmers Club. Then एक एक करके हम लोगों ने पूरा flow maintain किया, ठीक है. So likewise you can maintain the navigation and the flow of any सॉफ्टवेयर या आपका एप्लीकेशन या आपका वेबसाइट या आपका मॉडल. ओके. सो दिस इज व्हाई दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. नेविगेशन फ्लो विल कम लेटर आल्सो, हमारे थ्योरी में भी आएगा ये, तो उसके लिए इसको ये आपका इंपॉर्टेंट. सी द एक्सपेरिमेंट, ये मैं आपको इसके लिए विंडो सरदार पटेल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इनकी मैंने जो सिलेबस है वो इसलिए ओपन करके रखा हूँ दैट आई वांट टू शो दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सपेरिमेंट design a navigator for a person new in the tourist city. You want to experiment. It comes under the Windows and screen control. Windows and screen control के section में आता है. It means that how you're going to maintain your window, how you're going to control your window, how you're going to maintain and control the components inside your windows and your screen. Okay, so this comes in this particular one. Okay, so everyone be careful about this particular experiment, and you have to design in such a way that ये आप टीम में बैठ के करो, बट आप दिमाग अपना लगाओ कि कहाँ क्या चीज आना है, बिकॉज इसमें कोई टेक्निकल चीज नहीं. आई से क्लियरली, यहाँ पर कोई टेक्निकल चीज नहीं. यू हैव टू मेक इट फ्रॉम योर सेंस. ओके, आपको अपने हिसाब से बनाना है, और आपको आगे तक का सोच के बनाना है कि मैं अगर ये बना रहा हूँ, अगर मैं ये ऑप्शन रख रहा हूँ, देन इज इट this particular option is feasible or not. If it is not feasible, then no need to keep it. If it is feasible, then I will put it in the guide. Okay, so I think it is clear, and we can stop over here. Let me stop the recording first.